Today I'm diving into HoloDex PRO, an upgrade that has caught the eye of many users, but is it really worth the investment? Let's unpack what this platform offers and whether it truly enhances your experience or just adds to the noise. HoloDex PRO is designed to elevate your holographic experience, whether for gaming, presentations, or digital art creation. At its core, the platform offers an intuitive interface that allows users to create, manipulate, and share holograms seamlessly. One standout feature is its real-time collaboration tool, which lets multiple users interact with holograms simultaneously, making it a great choice for teams or creative projects. The user experience is generally smooth, with a visually appealing layout that doesn't overwhelm you with options. However, while the basic functionalities are clear, some advanced features feel a bit vague or underexplained, leaving potential users in the dark about their true capabilities. Plus, the intended audience seems to be skewed towards tech-savvy individuals, which might turn away casual users looking for straightforward solutions. Overall, while it promises a lot, there are areas where clarity could significantly enhance user confidence and understanding. Let's talk about the pros and cons of HoloDex PRO. On the plus side, the real-time collaboration feature is a game changer, especially for teams working remotely. The interface is user-friendly, making it relatively easy for newcomers to jump in. However, there are some frustrations. For one, the pricing for the PRO version could be a barrier for casual users, especially when the free version already offers significant functionality. Additionally, the lack of detailed documentation for some features is concerning. Users might find themselves lost when trying to utilize advanced options. Trust signals are also a bit shaky. While the platform has a modern look, there isn't a wealth of community feedback or testimonials to back up its claims. This could be a red flag for those who prioritize user experiences before committing. In conclusion, HoloDex PRO could be a worthwhile upgrade for those deeply invested in holographic content creation, particularly teams needing collaborative tools. However, casual users may want to stick with the free version until more clarity and user feedback emerge. Overall, it's a promising platform, but proceed with cautious optimism.